Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to link Go2Bank with Wells Fargo in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of digital banking, linking accounts can streamline your transfers, help you manage budgets, and save you time. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just someone juggling multiple accounts, this step-by-step guide will get you set up quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you meet the basics. You'll need active accounts with both Go2Bank and Wells Fargo. In 2025, most banks have updated their systems for smoother integrations, but always check for any specific requirements like two-factor authentication on your end. Start by opening the Go2Bank app on your smartphone or logging in via their website. Head over to the Accounts or Transfers section. It's usually front and center. Next, look for the Link External Account option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter your Wells Fargo details, such as your account number and routing number. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. A simple typo could delay the process. Once entered, Go2Bank might ask for verification. This often involves a micro deposit from Wells Fargo to your Go2Bank account, which you'll confirm, or answering a few security questions. After verification, customize your settings. Set transfer limits, choose how often you want notifications, and explore any new 2025 features like instant transfers or automated budgeting tools. Remember, security is paramount. Enable biometric login and monitor your accounts regularly to prevent fraud. And just like that, you're linked. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, but give it a day for full activation. If you encounter issues, Wells Fargo's 2025 support chat is super helpful. Thanks for watching. Linking your accounts has never been easier. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have other banking questions.